Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Ooh. And today, guys, we're here with Valiant, Father Dipper, with a music video called Beer and Salt. Beer and Salt. So, in recent times, we all know the madness we are going with the crab lady, Alice. She said she drink a beer and eat some salt and her belly go, and you don't know. That cause her to do what she do, but no, we're not getting into that. That one named Beer and Salt. So is he talking about the same thing, or is he addressing different things? I don't know. Valiant, very talented artist, so expect nothing but constructive. Let's go. DJ Mac, big up DJ Mac Productions. So we see Marcella show. And then I watch it back with one of them dog them.
Yo, show man. Pull up the studio. Yo, King Cam, get your camera ready.
Big up King Cam. So DJ Mac there. See DJ Mac there, so at the red hat.
Today me I got through a rough part. Fly out and get one rough start.
So it go. Him fly out and get a rough start, alright?
Fly out and get one rough start. Some brush it off. Stay far from beer and enough salt.
Stay far from beer and enough salt. So you know, so the beer and salt, like I mentioned earlier on, make it really go boop. So I must say, yo, stay far from that. So it look like him address, because we see a thing I go around, say the crowd was very hard to please when I'm show them. Think of Miami or something like that. I don't know, somebody correct me in the comment section. Where him perform and the crowd was very standstill, nah accept him, and him ask them, say, yo, Wagwan, or not deal with me, so like something like that. I can't remember exactly when did I say, but I think he might address this. But in the starting of the video, we see him watch a clip like that. So is it? I don't know.
Some brush it off. Stay far from beer and enough salt. I wear the blood clot. I saw the media love that.
I saw the media love talk, or the blood clot. I saw the media love talk. We also see Jeffrey in the video. Jeffrey, where you saw big up Jeffrey.
I wear the blood clot. I saw the media love that. Protect myself with a 9 and a chip clock. Mark them a link when them can't find a hit song.
Protect myself with a 9 and a chip clock. I mark them a link when them can't find a hit song. They know say Mac one of the artists Young Guns on the road as a producer right now. So Mac can do it. Big up yourself, Mac.
Protect myself with a 9 and a chip clock. Mark them a link when them can't find a hit song. Mix up, but even involved.
What you say?
My link when them can't find a hit song. Mix up, but even involved.
Mix up in not involved in a. So you might tell us say, yo, the mix up thing in not involved in a. We also see the tequila. That is the drink where Jeffrey always a promote on him podcast. Toxic talk, and let's be honest, big up Jeffrey again.
Mark them a link when them can't find a hit song. Mix up, but even involved. I saw you a go live long. Yo, me not dark, yo, me not high. I have a blood clot, yo, me catch a fly. Some of them blagger, you hungry, no fuck, and nah live no life.
Bombastic side eye. Some of them blagger. Sorry, Jeffrey, look like you get that one, but I know Jeffrey my talk still, cause Jeffrey I do it, bro. Jeffrey I do it.
Yo, me not dark, yo, me not high. I have a blood clot, yo, me catch a fly.
Man say every blood clot, you will catch a fly.
Blagger, you hungry, no fuck, and nah live no life.
Some of them blagger, you hungry, no fuck, and nah live no life. Just look on the look where Jeffrey give, and then the next shot, look on the look where he'll give Jeffrey.
Some of them blagger, you hungry, no fuck, and nah live no life.
So I think of the blagger them where him attack, are the one them where that brought the story are the one that we are saying flop are like them are rejoice, same flop. Most them cause can't Jeffrey, cause me not hear Jeffrey speak on the matter as yet.
Catch a fly. Some of them blogger you hungry no fuck and nah live no life. Nah show no homage to nobody with that hold me back.
Nah show no homage to nobody with that hold me back. Suck your mother. That's how it. Shots fired. Shots. We have to go back again. We have to go back again until we get to that part again. Diplomats records.
Yo, short man. You pull up the studio. Yo, King Cam, get your camera ready. Let's snap it. Today me I got you a rough part.
Yeah.
Fly out and get one rough start. Some brush it off. Stay far from beer and enough salt. I wear the blood clot. I saw the media love that. Protect myself with a 9 and a chip black. Mark them a link when them can't find a hit song. Mix up, but even involve. I saw you I go live long. Yo, me not dark, yo, me not high. I have a blood clot, yo, me catch a fly. Some of them blogger, you hungry, no fuck and nah live no life. Nah show no homage to nobody with that hold me back. Not only that. And if a badness does start, me load me strap. I see them lurking on my IG. I know your profile private.
You see, I look on my IG now, right? I see even though you claim say you nah deal with me or you still alert because I am an interesting guy. I'm interested.
And if a badness does start, me load me strap. I see them lurking on my IG. I know your profile private. All of this was a dream, but you can't catch the flows I'm finding.
All of this was a dream, but you can't catch the flow when me I find. You can't catch them, yeah. This feel like him a throw shades at somebody, dog. Who is he throwing shades at in the comment section, guys? Who is he shading right now?
It was a dream, but you can't catch the flows I'm finding. Today me I got you a rough part. Fly out and get one rough start. Some brush it off. Stay far from beer and enough salt.
Stay far. Nobody don't want the beer and salt. Nobody don't want it. See that I put some.
Some brush it off. Stay far from beer and enough salt. I wear the blood clot.
Blood clot.
Love that.
You know, so I never know said that salt do to the beer though. I never know enough.
I wear the blood clot. I saw the media love that. So what the problem? What? Everything me sing you I go ban them.
Okay, so I address enough things on that thing. So we see news come out where they said the government or the broadcast commissioner try ban Mad Me and Mad Out. Big song. So I'ma address this right so.
So what the problem? What? Everything me sing you I go ban them. Just I do this for the fans them. Mad Out at the anthem.
Mad Out at the anthem for sure. The big song, big bumbo clad song.
Just I do this for the fans them. Mad Out at the anthem. We have broke all the rules and bring out the new dancer. As me fly out my baby around and my baby car. As me fly out my baby around and my baby car.
If me fly up, me buy beer land and me buy beer car. At least he buy land. Cause you know say land value go up, car value go down, but him still a live him life. So him a show you say yo, him a do the right, whilst him still out there. So I live him life, see him, I live the maddest life, see him. So him still a do the right, him still a invest in money. That is good.
As me fly out my baby around and my baby car. Going to a Ruben. Mama says she wanna come, but my body new Benz. Tick tock me a scroll, get a lion today.
Mama says she want to coop, so I buy the new Benz. TikTok him at school and get a lion today.
Say she want to coop, but buy the new Benz. TikTok me at school, get a lion today. You shine all. Today me I got you a rough part. Fly out and get one rough star. Some brush that. And if I know the media, I love that. Be a gunshot. Diplomats, flick your butt.
The Salto, yeah, Salto, Jamaica.
Salto the whole country. Yeah, man. Yeah, Ruben. Yeah.
Bad. It's always a vibe around certain artists, and Valiant is definitely one of those artists where it's always a vibe around. Big up Valley. It's good that certain little things can happen to him and him can put it in a song. Him not take it personally, you know, because him just knows I saw the business stay. The business is very corrupt. The business will always try and get you down, but you as a person have to know, say, yo, you have to keep your sanity, you see me? And if this is the way how him deal with it, I put it in that song, then we don't have no problem with that. One more hit song again, you see me? Yeah, one more hit song again. Big up DJ Mac though. Big up DJ Mac, sick producer. King Cam, bad. Diplomats Records. Big up Jeffrey in the video too, and big up the rest of the dog them in the video. Salt and beer make your belly go blop. Yeah. Big up on the side. This one I'm gonna leave that one still. If you enjoyed that one and want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new, and I will see you in the next one. Pew!